It's 3D printer donation time again. Welcome back to Advanced Geekery. My name is David Gewirtz, and it is donation time again. Today what we're going to do is pack up some of these printers and get them ready to go to the local makerspace, because I've got some new gear coming in, and what we want to be able to do is clear some space, get that in the hands of the kids in the community, and then bring the new stuff in. Today what we're going to do is pack up the gear and get it out, and then over the next few months you'll see me bringing in the new gear to be able to use. So, and you'll get reviews and overviews and all of that. So that is what we're doing today. This program is sponsored in part by the Advanced Geekery weekly newsletter. Want exclusive access to my latest ZDNet articles, behind-the-scenes updates on my projects, and must-watch YouTube videos curated just for you? How about fascinating reads from around the web and a chance to have your own project spotlighted? It's all in the newsletter. And the best part, subscribing is absolutely free. Don't wait, click the link below to get your weekly issue and make it awesome. So hey, big thanks to all of the 3D printer companies who've had their products reviewed and are now supporting a local community. I really like being able to support the local makerspace with this work. So it's one of the more satisfying things I do is after I do one of these reviews, or a bunch of these reviews, about once or twice a year, I pack up a bunch of machines and donate them to the local makerspace in the name of the various vendors who have provided the machines for review. It's a really great mechanism. It gets them a chance to be seen by you folks. At the same time, it gets the makerspace and the local community the ability to go out and make stuff. So, for Advanced Geekery, my name is David Gewirtz. Go out and donate something cool.